guys, Thomas here, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I am doing another one on my doggy Rosie. I'll be hold on. See, there's my sister. She'll be taking the camera in a second so I can put on my shoes. But before I just go and show you guys Rosie again. If you guys saw my last video, which I hope you they're back in. They're back in the house. It's eating food. You don't need to put on your shoes. Get back in. Just watch it food for a second. And wait. Rosie, you go say hi now?
I don't think she does.
I think she wants to enjoy food a bit more now.
She's having her nap.
Okay, you guys. I'm gonna pause the video to see you guys in a second. Rosie go. Hi guys, we're back. Rosie is still eating food. Say hi to my sister. Say hi to my sister. Say hi. Hi. Rosie go. Let's see, I'm working the mat. The poopy mat. Potty mat. Whatever you guys want to call it.
Is it still eating?
Yeah, guys, I'm pausing this again. Bye. Guys, see you finally going right. Rosie.
I can't get down myself.
Come on.
Don't need to got it.
No. Say hi to Rosie. Come back.
What you failed it? Run off my nipple.
You want hold me? You want hold me for a sec?